Welcome to WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we'll show you how to harden your login security by integrating Google reCAPTCHA using the Ultimate Security plugin. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. First, navigate to Settings, then Threat Protection, click on Bot Protection. This feature adds a layer of security to verify that only real humans are accessing your site. Start by toggling the Enable reCAPTCHA switch to On. Next, choose your version. You can choose v3 based on your preference. We recommend v2 for the classic I am not a robot checkbox. Now, paste in your site key and secret key provided by your Google admin console. These keys allow your website to communicate securely with Google servers. You can get the Google admin console link in the description box. Next, you can customize the error messages users see if a verification fails, ensuring your site remains user-friendly even while it's under protection. Just below, another custom message box if reCAPTCHA cannot access the server. Next, we have the reCAPTCHA title field. The standard message is, "Verify you are human." Keep all the fields default. It will show the standard messages. Ultimate Security also allows you to choose between light or dark themes and choose a normal or compact size to fit your login page design. At the bottom, we have no conflict mode that activates that no other plugin or feature conflicts each other. If you run an online store, make sure to enable the WooCommerce integration to protect your customer login and registration forms as well. Once everything is set, hit Save Changes. Now that we've configured our settings, let's see how it looks live. As the login page loads, the Google reCAPTCHA widget is now active and ready to distinguish between a real person and an automated bot. We are entering our credentials as usual. Now clicking on the verification checkbox. If we don't click on the checkbox, the login attempt will fail. Once verified, click Login. And there we go. We just securely logged into the WordPress dashboard, and the site remains protected from brute force attempts. Download Ultimate Security plugin, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security videos.